If one shot can make a client say, wow, before the edit even starts, that's where the DJI Inspire 3 enters the game. This is not a normal drone. This is a flying cinema machine built for serious filmmakers, commercial creators, and production teams that demand premium results. If you care about real image quality, smooth cinematic movement, and pro-level performance, watch till the end because this drone is on another level. The DJI Inspire 3 comes with a full-frame 8K camera system capable of recording ultra-detailed footage with professional-grade color depth and dynamic range. That means cleaner shadows, richer highlights, and footage that can be pushed hard in editing without falling apart. Whether you shoot sunrise landscapes, luxury real estate, cars, or film scenes, this camera delivers next-level results. But camera quality is only half the story. Inspire 3 is built for movement. The 360-degree camera rotation and advanced gimbal design allow dramatic orbit shots, crane-style moves, and angles smaller drones simply cannot match. It also features RTK precision positioning, which helps pilots repeat the same flight path accurately again and again. Perfect for commercial shoots and VFX work. Another huge advantage is the dual operator setup. One person can fly the drone while another controls the camera independently. That means smoother teamwork, better framing, and truly cinematic production workflow like professional movie sets. Now the real truth. This drone is expensive, powerful, and made for people who earn money with content. If you only vlog or travel casually, this may be too much machine. But for wedding teams, ad agencies, filmmakers, and high-end creators, the Inspire 3 can pay for itself through quality alone. My final verdict: DJI Inspire 3 is one of the most elite camera drones in the world. It's not made for everyone, but if you want serious aerial filmmaking power, this is a monster in the sky. This is Drone Dominator, where power meets the sky.